Nag-shopping na naman yung bata. Shopping sa...
Wala yung nasa bag mo.
Do you have this? Do you have Labubu?
Meron po kasi ulo lang.
Ah!
Head lang.
Ulo lang. Ulo lang daw. O kawawa, naputulan ng ano, katawan sila Bubu ba ni? What exactly are you looking for, Bunny? Huh? What exactly are you looking for? Then let's tell Kuya to find it. Huh? Pokemon? Anything Pokemon or what? I don't like Pokemon. Oh, ito oh, ang cute. Ito ba yung binili ni Dad for me? I think that's it, no? Yay! Thank you, Daddy, for buying the yellow one. Ano na? Nakapili ka na?